Imagine you are happily using a hairdryer in your bathroom, or maybe a power tool in your garage, when suddenly, a small splash of water creates a potentially dangerous situation. What is the one crucial safety device that can instantly protect you from a serious electrical shock in those moments? You can test a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, outlet for proper function simply by using its built-in test and reset buttons. This quick and easy check ensures that this vital safety device is ready to protect you and your family from dangerous electrical shocks, especially in areas where water might be present. A GFCI outlet is designed to detect even small differences in current flowing into and out of an electrical circuit. If it senses an imbalance, which often indicates electricity is flowing through an unintended path like a person, it quickly trips or shuts off the power. This rapid response is what prevents electrocution, making GFCI protection essential in areas like bathrooms, kitchens, basements, and outdoors. To test a GFCI outlet, first, ensure there is power to the outlet by plugging in a small appliance, such as a lamp, and verifying it turns on. Next, press the test button on the GFCI outlet. You should hear a click, and the appliance you plugged in should immediately turn off, indicating that the GFCI has tripped and interrupted the power. Finally, press the reset button. The GFCI should click again, and power should be restored to the outlet, turning your appliance back on. If these steps do not happen as described, the GFCI may be faulty and should be replaced. Regularly testing your GFCI outlets is a proactive measure that keeps these critical safety devices in top working order. While the standard recommendation is to test them monthly, at a minimum, you should perform this simple test every time you reset a breaker or notice an outage in an area protected by a GFCI. You will often see the letters WR on GFCI outlets, which stands for weather resistant, a feature designed for outdoor use that provides extra protection against moisture and ultraviolet light degradation. By taking just a few moments each month to test your GFCI outlets, you are actively maintaining a vital layer of electrical protection in your home. This simple habit ensures that you and your loved ones are continuously safeguarded against ground faults, allowing you to use your electrical appliances with confidence and peace of mind.